What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the lower seatbelt anchor trim piece cover in your 06 to 08 Ram 1500 and 06 to 09 25 and 3500s. As you can see, mine was missing completely, but if yours is just broken, I will show you how to remove it. To remove the trim piece cover, all you do is pull out in the middle on the top with your thumb, like so. And then when you get your new one to install it, it's going to be the same steps for both sides, by the way. It's just going to be a mirrored version. It's just going to face the other direction. You want to tuck the bottom tab in first. Like this. And then you're going to twist it so that this front tab down in here catches towards the front of the seat, and then just click the back into place. I will post a few links in the video description where you can get these. I will post both the passenger and driver side in the slate gray and the taupe, aka tan. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Thanks for watching.